Hello, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to jump to any chat on Discord without scrolling. I mean with easy scrolling rather than scroll one by one. So for instance, I will open the server, and then anywhere here you can click this search, and then you type in, and then you put colon and then put space, and then type the channels or category you want to search for. For instance, I will search on general. So in channel of general, it will be listed all the chats here. So over here, for instance, I want to search for TikTok maybe. So it will be search TikTok on this specific category or channels. So here I can jump into the chat, very easy. So that's it, how to jump on Discord chat. If you think this content is helpful for you, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.